Longtime KiCad users are going to be happy to know that in version 6, copy and paste finally works correctly. And for everybody else, I have a cool little hack you can do with a text editor. By the way, for Mac users, every time I say Control, think of that as the Command key. The big difference between KiCad 5 and KiCad 6 is that copy-paste now uses the system clipboard. One benefit is that you can copy schematic elements from one instance to another. Okay, let me show you that one more time, but step by step. I had my project open, and then I started another KiCad 6 instance with a new project. Notice that the designators got reset. So let's delete this stuff and then go to Edit, Paste Special. Here you can change the behavior, like keeping the existing designators. By the way, if it's not obvious, in order to copy from KiCad 5, you need to import the project into version 6 first. One very practical way to use this feature is converting individual schematics into a multi-sheet schematic. Sadly, the old behavior of hovering over a component and using the C hotkey to copy it is no longer available. And at first, I thought this would really bug me, but I got over it pretty quick and adapted it almost right away. With that, let's take a look at the really cool part about the new copy-paste functionality. Back when I created this schematic symbol, I accidentally swapped the pin names and numbers. Now, I could click on each, hit E to edit, and fix them this way. Or I could highlight them, cut them to the clipboard, and paste them into a text editor. Personally, I use Sublime Text, but almost any good text editor will work. Heck, even Emacs would work. When you copy elements in KiCad, the text description is what goes into the clipboard. So let's do a little bit of a switcheroo. First, we change the name string to numbers with a Z. Then we change the label number to name. And finally, numbers back to number. Now we can cut this entire text block and paste it back into the symbol editor. Actions like these are a lot faster than using the KiCad UI or the old method of editing the schematic or PCB file directly and then reloading it. Okay, so those are the two basic ways that I found to use the new copy-paste stuff, and frankly, I really have been enjoying it. I think this is my favorite improvement to KiCad 6. So what about you? Let me know what your favorite trick or improvement is in the comments below. If you find these videos helpful, please consider supporting Ad-Ohms and the Bald Engineer on Patreon. Hi, I'm James, doing the awkward wave thing I do at the end of videos now for some reason. We have 3 tips now, and so I have created a playlist which you can click over here, or is it over here? Click on the thing to see the things. Thanks for watching.